हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका स्टेक गुरु चैनल पे। और मैं हूं आपका दोस्त और होस्ट। और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोग्राम इन पाइथन, लाइक कैलकुलेटर बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम, in which we will know how to develop a calculator, best calculator in Python, and it is the most basic part of the Python. In this program we have used mainly functions as to develop a calculator. So in this function you have seen that there are four functions which is present here. First for addition, second for subtraction, third is for multiplication, and fourth is for division. So in first addition we add the two number. In subtraction function we subtract the two number, and in multiplication function we multiply the two number, while in division we'll divide the two number. We will start from here now. That there is a string name yes, which is stored inside a variable I, and we have started a conditional statement that while I is equals to yes, then the following operation is performed by the user. Then in this j is a variable which inputs data from the user, that do you want to perform some calculation in this program. If the user say yes, then further these operations is performed by the user, and if the user says no, then rather else program is run by the user, and finally the program terminates. If yes, then there is a message print that please select which of the following arithmetic operation the user want to perform. Then first one is add, second one is subtract, and third one is multiply, and the last fourth one is divide. Then there is a variable name choose input. Then we have to input a data from the user, that rather he chooses 1, 2, 3 or 4, he have to write them into the program. So if the user writes 1, then we will store into the choose variable, and if the user enters 1, then we will perform an addition function. If the user enters 2, then we will perform a subtraction function, and if the user enters 3, then we will perform the multiplication function, and if at last the user enters 4, then we will perform the division function. If the user enters here no, then else part run, in which we will print thank you for visiting us, and we insert a string no inside the I, so that the loop will terminate and the program end. Here we will call a function named calculate. Here is a function named calculate, in which we take two variable to input data from the user, like number 1 and number 2. If we take the data from the user in both of our variable, then we will operate this like if the user enters 1, 2 or 3 or 4 here, then according to that we will perform the operation here. Like if the operation double is equals to 1, that is for addition, then then we will print num1 plus string में, and then num2 and then a string में equal to, and then we will perform a add function that is present here. Just like this, we will perform rather of the 4, that is, if the user enters 2, then we will perform a subtraction function which is present above, and if the user enters 3, then we will perform a multiplication function, and if the user enters 4, they will perform the division function, and if at last the user doesn't enter any of the input, then we will print that please enter the valid input. Now we execute this program. Here the program runs, and their message comes that do you want to perform some calculation in this program. Then I will say yes. Then please select which of the following arithmetic operation you want me to perform. First is for addition, second for subtraction, third for multiplication, fourth for division. Then firstly I would like to choose 1. Please enter the first number 46, enter the second number 56. Then a question comes that do you want to perform some calculation in this program. Yes, I would like to perform some more calculation in this program. Please select which of the following arithmetic. Now I would like to select the second option, that is subtract 1 2 3 12. Enter the second number 21. Yeah, it's good, nice. Do you want to perform some calculation in this program? Yeah, I would like to perform some more calculation in this program. Then here a message comes that which of the arithmetic operations I would like to perform. Then I would like to perform the third, that is for multiplication. Please enter the first number. I would like to multiply 89, and second number 7894. Yeah, it's fast. Do you want to perform some calculation in this program? There a message comes, thank you for visiting us. So this is all about our program that is used to perform some calculation onto the numbers, and that's why it is called as calculator. So please like, subscribe and share our video, and if you want some more programs on these, so please comment below, so I would upload more videos like this only.